guys! In this video, we are going to beat the face with only one cat, the bird cat. Because many people think bird cat is weak, but it's not. We prove them wrong. And by the way, bird cat is level 14 right now. So yeah, I think we're gonna destroy the face with this one. Let's start. The battle begins. The moon. The face mounts. It's time to shine. Stun the bird. Destroy the penguin with 2 hits. Destroy the hippo with 1 hit. 1 hit? 2 hits. 2 hits, everyone. Destroy them all, destroy them all. Just keep spawning cats. Spawn the cats. Just keep spawning cats. And cats. And more cats. Everyone likes cats. Everyone can solo face, by the way. Even the worst cat. Even the worst normal cat, the X cat. Or the worst special, the worst normal, the worst rare, the worst super rare, and the worst uber rare. And legendary. Everyone can solo. Even little cat can solo it. This cat canyon, why not? It's not a cat, by the way. It's just a canyon. A cat canyon. And I'm not going to use cat guard because it's a special cat. Come on, come on. Come on, bird cat. Everyone likes you. Even though they are like all cat. The tank cat, I mean. Everyone loves tank cat. No one loves bird cat. Everyone don't like bird cat. But I like him because he's strong and rage attacker. Really strong. Really strong. Every attack. Laser beams. Oh shoot, the kangaroo here. But I don't really care because I can kill it with some hits. Right? Yeah, right. 2 bird cats on me. 2 bird cats on me. Many cats around me. Bird cat army. Army of bird cats. Sorry I don't speak English well, I'm from Brazil. But anyways. Destroy the golden face. I think I'm going to speed up the video because it's kind of boring. Okay, speed it up time in 3, 2, 1, go! We did it, guys! Use the base half of the head. I thought I was gonna die, but I didn't die. Now we just beat the shit of those animals and destroy the whole world with those cats. I almost wanted to use cat guard, but luckily I didn't give up and only used bird cat and cat cannon. Bird cat for the win! Bird cat for the win! Bird cat for the win! Come on, bird cat! You can do this! You OP! You are very overpowered! Come on, bird cat! Come on, bird cat! Come on, bird cat! You can do this, bird cat! You can do this, bird cat! Bird Cat, everybody loves you, Bird Cat. Come on, Bird Cat, destroy all those enemies, Bird Cat. Half of the health. Come on, Bird Cat. You can do this, Bird Cat. Don't be stupid. More birds. More birds to poop everywhere. We did it, guys. The victory is mine. As you can see, Bird Cat won. This means that every cat can solo face, even the weak ones. If you have enough levels, of course, and treasures, and Cat Canyon. I think even Axe Cat can solo face because of the ship cost and cooldown. Bird Cat has a high, is expensive and low and high cooldown, but I don't care. It's cool. And my favorite cat is a Nick. Only cat with wings, I see. So, like and subscribe because this video took a long time to make. Because I keep dying. But this time it worked. So, like and subscribe for more videos like this. Next time, I would solo. Maybe solo chapter 2 Moon with Bird Cat. I think even Little Bird Cat. I don't have Little Bird Cat yet, but I may have. I'm the only player who did this, I guess. The Bird Cat for the win! The Bird Cat for the win!